How to enable or disable hide full screen notification during do not disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on do not disturb. So after click on do not disturb, scroll down to end, click on hide notification. So after click on hide notification, you will see hide full screen notification is here. So if you want to disable how hide full screen notification, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see hide full screen notification is disabled. So if you want to enable hide full screen notification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see hide full screen notification is enabled. So you will enable or disable hide notification full screen from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable hide full screen notification during do not disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.